Hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today we'll be designing a trendy social media flyer. So without taking much of your time, let me get straight to it. So I'll be dropping the tutorial file plus the PSD file in the link below. So first we'll create a new layer, control N rather. Our size is 2000 by 2000 pixel. I'll be running you through it. It's very simple. So I use this background. Let me Control C and drop it down here. It's a background that I downloaded online. So it's a background, it's a marble background, or you can decide to use any kind of background you want. So what I did next was to write a text. Let me show you. Control C. It will be very fast tutorial. You can see the text. The text I used was Montserrat black, size 147, and I applied a gradient overlay to my text. As usual, I used the yellow gradient, which is location 0 F7971E, and at location 100 you have FFD 200. Okay, it's very simple. Then you bring in your crown also. You can bring in your crown. So for this crown, I added a camera raw effect to it to add more light to the image. You can see if I switch it off, you can see it's looking kind of dull. So I added a camera raw effect to it. You can see the camera raw effect I used here was, sorry, it's loading. Camera raw I used here was contrast at 58, texture at 39, clarity at 1. Click OK. And also lastly I applied this my effects to. You get this in the PSD file to just make it blend a little bit, and I changed the blend mode to linear dodge add. I'm dropping everything in the link below. Then this one too was also downloaded. I added drop shadow effect to it. You can see I added drop shadow effect to it. Opacity at 17, distance 13, spread 13,